Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am showing my Meesho haul as many of you were asking me to show products that are available online. So, Meesho is India's favorite app to buy top quality products at lowest prices. And happy news is that Maha Indian Shopping League is going on in Meesho from 6th to 9th of October. So, this is biggest sale of the year. In this sale, you can get every item at its lowest price and you can also win biggest prizes. You can get a chance to win Mercedes-Benz, LG refrigerator, Samsung TV and lot many more prizes during this sale. So please download Meesho app immediately and start shopping. You can download this app through the link in description box. By doing so, you can get a discount of 100 rupees or flat 30% off on your first order. So friends, please download Meesho app if not downloaded yet. So let's see the products now. First one is this graceful Ganesha wooden wall clock. Simple yet attractive. This hand-painted multicolor clock gives your wall a spiritual look. This is also a perfect gift for birthdays, wedding, anniversaries, housewarming functions, etc. Very beautiful wall clock. Kundans here enhance its beauty. You can hang it on the wall of living room, lounge or wherever you want to bring a spark of beauty to that area. However, it is delicately designed and should be handled with care. Overall, I simply love this wall clock and completely worth the price. This is cute mini wardrobe. I ordered this for my son. However, it can be used as a showpiece also. So as you can see, it has got doors, mirror like any other normal wardrobe, and if you open these small doors, you can find mini shelves and a drawer beneath. See, here's very small hangers and a hanger rod, and the best part is the miniature currency inside this locker. So you can see here imitation currency of 2000 rupees, 550 and 200 rupees. Me and my son totally loved it. The product is very delicate, but it was delivered safely with good packaging. But I feel the price is little high. If it was little bigger, it would have been really worth buying. Altogether, this is a very cute and nice lovely gift for your child. This is a showpiece cum incense burner, like a hand holding a flower. I got 10 incense sticks along with this piece. So this black beauty itself is very beautiful, and when you place a burning cone on it, it looks stunning. It creates an illusion of smoky waterfall. You can enjoy the peace of moment with mild scent of cone and visual of smoky waterfall, which relaxes your mind. This also can be used as a part of decoration during special occasions and small events. Even without using incense burner, you can place it on your table or showcase as a decor piece. So very reasonably priced, and this can be a good gifting option too. This is compact sewing kit for domestic purpose. Very small and portable. It comes along with easy to carry box and 24 colors of threads, a measuring tape, needles and scissor and a cutter. All these I got just for 290 rupees. So it is completely worth buying. It is very economical to buy all together like this than to buy them separately, because single reel alone will cost you around 10 rupees. Moreover, it is better to keep a sewing box at home like this for quick access or emergency mends or small things like missing buttons, out of stitches or quick hemming. Instead of going to tailor for every small stitching related issue, we can keep a small portable box like this. And this is a multicolor night lamp, and if you open and see, it has some mushroom and flower like imitations on it. So very beautiful to look like this only. And then when you plug it on, the LED lights glow in a variety of colors, making a beautiful pattern. This night lamp delights you with soothing ambience at night and is also very functional. You can get enough lighting to walk in around safely without turning on the lights, allowing to get small activities done like to drink water, to go to restroom, etc. So this sleek and stylish night lamp is of good quality and worth buying. And these are bangle boxes, pack of 2, handmade, classy and elegant with soft velvet coating. Quite large in size, I can say jumbo size. I got red and blue colored boxes. Inside each box there are 6 bangle rods, so you can accommodate lot of bangles. It is very sturdy and keeps even delicate bangles safe. Looks royal and is value for money. This product is a perfect gifting option too, and I totally loved this product. You can organize all your bangles in a systematic way and protect them from breakage. Also, every bangle is visible and can be picked up or placed back easily. So, very useful one. Must product for ladies. And next I bought this vegetable bag for shopping. It has several compartments inside that help to separate your veggies or groceries without messing up with each other. This bag is spacious and enough to accommodate shopping list for a small family. Good for weekly purchases also. There are 7 compartments inside, and very innovative bag to use an organizer or sort and keep anything you want, and also completely waterproof. So very nice bag with reasonable price. These are L-shaped kitchen mats which comes as a combo of 2, and very attractive kitchen mats. The material is very soft on the top and anti-skid rubber like material at bottom. Many other attractive colors and patterns are available for this product. I simply love how my kitchen looks after placing these mats. So beautiful and very functional. This mat covers all the way through the countertop from gas stove to sink, making kitchen chores easy and comfortable, especially from the cold kitchen floor. We feel warm being on mats than on direct floor. Quality is okay, but for this price it is worth buying. And next are these door mats. I got them as a combo of 5. Very cute and circular mats with 5 different bright and attractive colors. Quality is just awesome. I got them at a very reasonable price. Very soft and comfortable. So not only as door mats, they look very beautiful as table mats, and they can be used for multi-purpose or as a part of decoration. They can be used under flower vases or on coffee tables, etc. A must buy, friends. Really loved them. Size is also big enough so that one person can sit on it. So very beautiful piece, friends. Must buy. The next one is very interesting product. This is multi-purpose electronic digital weighing scale. I got 2 batteries free with this device, and compact, portable and easy to use weighing scale for domestic purpose, and it can be used to measure weight of any item precisely from 1 gram to 10 kgs. It is very useful in household activities like measuring the weight of fruits, spices, dry fruits, veggies, etc. Very functional device with many options. It also has a tare button which lets you measure different ingredients into same container. Just press of a button will set the scale to 0. You can also measure in different units like ounce, lbs, kgs along with grams, and backlight is also provided so that you can use it in dark areas. Quality is excellent, so this is a must have household device. I also bought this small foldable hair dryer for everyday use. Very light in weight and easy to carry while traveling. Price is very reasonable. So you can fold and unfold this. Looks very cool and easy to handle. You can switch it on and off and adjust the speed or temperature levels with a single switch. There are 2 temperature levels provided and you can select between them. Quality is good for this price. And the last one is the smart mobile charger hanger. This can be hanged anywhere without support, and it prevents phone from falling while charging and can be used anywhere, and no need for separate stand or holder. You just need a plug point to charge your smartphone without any worries. Please download Meesho app from the link in description box. By doing so, you can get a discount of 100 rupees or flat 30% off on your first order. So friends, that was my Meesho haul. Hope this video is useful and you liked it. If so, please press like button and subscribe to my channel and encourage me. Also, please stay connected for more interesting videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.